Who is Batuk Bhairav in 1 minute? Batuk Bhairav is the kid form of Shiva. Now who is Shiva? Shiva is the unmanifested universe, or in other words, consciousness at rest. Now what is the role of Batuk Bhairav? Batuk Bhairav is Shiva with one desire, that is to make Shakti realize her true form. Now who is Shakti? Shakti is the manifested universe, or in other words, consciousness at motion. So if Shakti is suffering because of her own creation, then Shiva will come in the form of Batuk Bhairav to help Shakti realize her true form. Or in other words, if we are suffering because of our own desires, then Shiva will come in the form of Batuk Bhairav to help us get detached from those desires. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, we'll meet in the next video. Jai Mahakal.